Welcome friends. Now in this video we will going to see the limitations, or we can say the disadvantages of the NC machine. So see here, as we are using the punch tape as an input medium here, so definitely the punch tape is not having the infinite life or long life. So here the very first limitation for this NC machine, that is the punch tape have the limited life. So information that has stored in the punch tape is not go for a long time, because punch is going to tear or get damaged, so the life of the punch tape is less. Now the second, we cannot have the design changes. The design changes cannot be incorporated. We cannot have the design changes. Suppose I have made some program here and I made the punch tape for that corresponding program, but after that I have some design changes into that, so I cannot make any design change on the prepared punch tape. I have to go for the preparation for new punch tape. Okay, so we cannot have any kind of design changes onto this. Next, the mechanization or automation is not possible for these machine tools. We cannot do the mechanization or the automation for the same manless manufacturing, automatic or automated manufacturing lines. Next, we cannot simulate whatever the program we have made, how it will make the object, how it will make the part. So that simulation is not possible in this NC machine tool, as there is no mini computer or computer to simulate or graphics of the simulation. So here you can see the simulation or graphics of the program that we have given into that tape. We provide the information, we cannot simulate. Simulation is not possible. Okay, next thing is what? Of course, they are having the high investment cost. The cost of this all NC machine tool setup is high. Of course, the parts that are going to use in the NC machine are costlier parts. Okay, of course their maintenance also is huge. Maintenance cost, we can say, is also high. Okay, now as we have invested this much amount of money, so we want to utilize this machine for the maximum time, for the maximum period of time. So that is why multiple shifts are running for getting the appropriate use of these NC machine tools. So we required here the high utilization time. That is running this not only single shift, okay, because we have invested a lot, so you get the returns in that fashion. So definitely we have to run that machines in the multiple shifts. So if you look at the NC machine tools, we are having the advantages. Definitely whatever the limitations of the normal machining, this becomes the advantages in the numerical control system. But if you talk about the disadvantages, so these are the enlisted, the limitations or disadvantages for the NC machine tools. Thank you.